Our topic for today is the arts and crafts of Luzon, specifically the Highlands and the Lowlands. Let's talk about the Ilocos region. Ilocos region is famous with their architecture, like the Calle Crisologo. It is located in Vigan, Ilocos Sur, and as you can see in the picture, it's like an old Spanish type houses with high-pitched roofs and made of brick, lime, terracotta, hardwood floors, and the windows of copy shells framed in wooden window panels. Next is their weaving technique called inabel. It is produced using the traditional looms. Here in the picture is their process in how making the inabel. Next is their pottery. The bornai has a small opening and it can use for storage like water, rice, grains, and the containers for salt, brown sugar, and other condiments. Next is in Pangasinan. In Pangasinan, they are popular with their bolinaw mats, where it is made up of the buri or raffia leaves and the bamboo crafts. Most of these mats can be found in the San Carlos, Pangasinan. Next is the Cordillera. The Kalingas have their own style of their textile. It is characterized with the dominant stripes and geometric patterns, and they have symbols with each colors. Like in red, it portrays the bravery, black for the soil or land, white for the flowers of coffee trees, yellow for sand, and green for mountains. In their basketry, as you can see in the picture, it's not like the traditional basket because their baskets, called laba, is bowl shape made from rattan and sizes varies from 20 to 150 centimeter in diameter. They're famous also in their tattoos. Their tattoos are also considered as clothing because, as you can see in the picture, it is usually covers the chest and the arms. It also have their traditional signs that it marks the heroism and bravery of each person in the status in the community. Sino nakakilala dito sa babae na sa picture na to? She is the famous mambabatok in the Kalinga. She is Apo Wangod. Her process in tattooing is the traditional. Not like in these days, tattoo artists make their tattoos from the electric machines. Here are the example of the tattoos. Kung ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga nasa Kalinga. Each of them have their own symbols. Next, in the picture, it is the bulul. The bulul is the sculpture that represents the rice granary spirits, wherein it is their ritual to ask for the ancestors to protect their rice fields from the pests, yung mga peste sa mga palayan, and to ask for the ancestor to have their abundant and yung masaganang harvest. Next, this is an amulet. It is their fertility symbol. It is called the lingling or the dinumug. It is made up of jade, gold, copper, bronze, stone, and other materials. Next is the Mountain Province. In the Mountain Province, their textile is made for burial cloth that is made by their female elders, where it is called the kadangyan. As you can see in the picture, it is the traditional attire for the men. It is called the wands. And next, the loofid. Loofid, as you can see, is for the female, for the women. It is a short and narrow wrap around skirt. Next is the process. This is the process of their tying and dyeing the threads. It is called the ikat. It also have the patterns. They prepare first the patterns before they are woven into the textile. Last is the ABRA. The ABRA textile are noted for their white textiles with with the symbols that it is from the diligent farmer, and the palay is for the rice plant, and the frog, which is their abundance in their fertility. They also have the white textiles with horizontal stripes found in the edges of the cloth. Thank you for listening.